for this trig limit problem, there's a mistake that a lot of people think they can just factor a 3/4 out of here, but you can't do that because a 3 isn't in the top of the entire thing. So instead you have to rewrite this problem as the limit as x goes to 0 of 3 sine x over 4x plus cosine x minus 1 over 4x. In other words, distribute that to both of those like that. So this equals the limit by algebra of limits. I can distribute that. The limit of, and I can pull the 3/4 out, again by algebra of limits, of sine x over x. Okay? Plus, now I can pull the 1/4 out. 1/4 of the limit as x goes to the 0 of cosine x minus 1 over x. Can you see why I can pull the x out? I'm sorry, the 1/4 out in that case? Because this you can think of as factoring a 1 out of both things on the top. Got it? So this equals, that equals 1, and that equals 0, and that's the reason that the 1/4 goes away, and your answer is just 3/4 plus 0, which is 3/4. But people mistakenly think at the very front, they think they could factor this out, and if they did that, then the teacher's going to mark it as wrong, maybe all wrong, even though they might argue that, what are you talking about, all wrong? I did that right. No, you didn't do it right, because you can't, it's not equal to that. You can't factor that out. That's not the reason the answer is 3/4. You would have got the right answer, but you would have done it the wrong way. So be careful with that.